Hello students, today I'm going to talk about how to use Flipgrid and how to post a video and then how to reply to a video. So on your phone you need to find the Flipgrid app or download the Flipgrid app. Then you'll open the application and you should get a link from your teacher. Is the easiest way to connect with the correct class. For example, I am currently teaching a class and the class code is MSS 85842. That will get you into the class, and then you will enter your student ID. Now most of our teachers at Richland College, they will have you put in your student ID that is the same student ID that you use for the whole college system. So it's your Richland College student ID. Okay, so once you get into the class, your teacher will probably set up different topics and you will want to respond to the topics. In the class setting, many teachers will use the different topics as assignments. So you can think of them as fun videos, but you can also think of them as homework assignments that you need to do. So what you will do is if you see an assignment there, and there's probably some explanation about the assignment, and then you will want to click the green plus button to respond and record yourself in that assignment. The other thing that you can do on Flipgrid is reply to another student or to your teacher if they have posted a video. So what you will do to reply to your teacher or to another student in class is click on their video.
Hey guys, my name's Teacher Matt. You can call
and
me
then
Teacher
click
Matt,
add a reply. When you click add a reply, you're replying directly to that video that you just saw, and you can record that response and then click submit, and that will be a reply to the video that you just watched. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you in class.